I'm gonna cry because of all of this situation. I am strong. I am not a weak person. I want you guys to know that.
This is Ashabash representing for Sandy and Bones. More of the people them just tune in right now. Like and subscribe on them channel.
But at the same time, I am disappointed. And yes, I love my husband completely. But I am so disappointed and I don't know what's next. Honestly, I just don't know. Because at this point, I feel like he needs help. And I'm not talking about counseling. He needs counseling, not marriage counseling, but he needs counseling for himself because something is not right. Sometimes things have to happen to people realize because they probably weren't seeing what really is going on. And I do not care how anybody feels. That has nothing negative to say. I am a human being. Kushen is a human being. The girl is a human being. At this point, I was sorry for her. I am no longer sorry for her because I have to sorry for myself. I have more to lose than her, and that's just the honest truth. You understand me? In no way, shape, or form, I am going to hold her responsible for nothing. My husband is 1000% wrong with everything we do. Every single thing. It's not even about the sex. It's more so about the conversations. You know how conversations are receipts. It's my decision if me left Kushen. It is my decision. And yes, I may not know how it will go with him as himself. But with this marriage, I'm not wearing my ring. That is it.